Do you want to start developing games in Unity? Here is the first step. Hello and welcome. This video is specifically made for all the beginners out there who wanted to dive into the ocean of game development. Today we'll be looking at downloading one of the most famous game engines, that is Unity, and there are higher chances that you might have come across it while searching how to make games on the internet. It has a huge user base and you can find tons of tutorials on various platforms including YouTube. So with that being said, let's check how to download the Unity game engine for game development. Now the question is where we can find Unity Hub. Well, that's pretty simple. We can directly head our way to Unity official website and grab it for free. So let's open up unity.com on any of the browser you have. Press the get started button. Now, as we don't have any interest in using any of these business packs, we'll move to the individual section. Here, as you can see, we get two options to get the Unity software. First, you can sign in as a student, which will require your student IDs to get inside. So if you are a student and have valid ID proofs, you can definitely choose this way. The second way is to get a personal license, which has its own limits, as you can see. Your gross revenue or funding should be less than $100,000 in the last 12 months. This is the only eligibility you need to follow if you choose personal license. However, if your revenue ever crosses the limit, you have to upgrade to a higher plan that can be either Plus, Pro or an Enterprise. So as we are having a fresh start, we'll be using the personal license. Therefore, hit the get started button, which would take us to the download page. Now, as I'm using Windows device, so I can click on the download for Windows button to get the executable file. If you are on Mac, you can download the DMG file and install it accordingly. Once the Unity Hub downloads, install it to your specified folder as per your preference. Next, after the installation completes, we can press the finish button with the Run Unity Hub checkbox turned on. This will open up the Unity Hub automatically. Now, as we are new to Unity, a pop-up message insisting us to download the latest version of the editor shows up. You might choose to install it directly, but for now, we would rather check the interface of Unity Hub first. So we can click on the skip installation for now. Okay, as you can see, this is the entire interface of Unity Hub. The first option from the left hand side panel is the project. If you click the project button, then in the right hand side window, you'd be able to see all the projects that you have created so far. As we have installed the Unity editor just a few minutes back, it makes sense that this section is empty. The next option is the installs. Here Unity allows you to either look at a Unity editor if you have it on your PC previously, or else it will help you download the newer versions of Unity, including the packages and the kit required for making games. Now the learn option will give you the ability to access all the official resources of Unity to make quality games. There are hundreds of tutorials available ranging from beginner friendly to advanced level, and it's a great place to spend time on. Lastly, the community section gives you the chance to access Unity blogs, Unity forums, live help, Unity Pulse and so on. So if you're finding a solution to your problem and need someone to help, then you can definitely try posting your question on these places. Well, it's time to install the Unity editor. Let's go to the install section and choose the install editor button. Here we get options to install various versions of Unity that include long-term support, the latest official releases and the pre-release version of Unity. As LTS versions are quite stable, we'll go with the latest LTS version of Unity. Now we need to select what packages or modules we require for our editor. The most basic package that we require as of now is a Visual Studio Editor, as this will be the place for doing all the scripting work. Therefore, we'll only tick that as of now. I already have it installed, so there's no tick box for me, as you can see. Next, press the install button to start installing it. And that's it. We are nearly done. So as you can see, the installation is now completed and we have successfully installed the Unity editor without any problem. Now we can either create a new project and start making our own game, or else we can check the default Unity templates, mod them and show the world our pretty cool talent. It depends on you guys, whatever plan do you have. Well, our plan is to make you guys acquainted with the Unity interface in the upcoming video. Till then, stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, then like it, subscribe for future notifications and leave your generous comment that will help us to grow ahead of time. Thank you, have a great day, and we will meet up in the next one.